Guys, I want to show you how to create niche websites for example, in my case, I will create for Cloudways. So I have made by using Claude AI such script. This script will create article for me. So I have created by using another AI plan of posts what I should create. So this by red you can see posts which are marked by red. These are organ posts what I should create because they are low competition and got traffic. So I just copy post name, hit enter, and it start generating meta and also generating text. So let's wait a little bit, and you'll see how fast you can create posts for your niche websites. So it usually takes around 30 seconds, and here you can simply to create each post it cost me around 5 cents, so I just uploaded $5 and I created already too many posts, like 30, as you can see, 36. Some posts are not posted because I'm using also another AI in order to generate images as well. Let me show you. So simply I type here post name, for example, and it generate image for. Okay, let's move forward and you will see. So post is generated. Now I will copy simply meta, paste it in Notepad. Okay, I type here yes, you can create post on my WordPress. So done. So now let's go back to website. Okay, here is a post created. We can see wrong here. We will edit now. Okay, 26. Okay, let's go now and finish SEO optimization. Sorry. So edit snippet. Type here title. Type here description. Here you can see SEO score. So let's add focus keyword. Okay, now score is better. Here we can see focus keyword not found anymore. So let's edit. Okay, done. Now we can fix additional errors like adding images, link to external resources. Okay, how we can do this? I have also got, let's add HTML, also generated HTML by using AI together with my affiliate link. So this is how it looks like. So coupon code, and this will add external link. Now we can add internal links for my content. For example, I can simply add link to this article. Okay, so as you can see, SEO score is almost, so it's good enough, but we can even improve it if we will add images. So images I can add also by using ChatGPT, by simply, now I can see a hit limit, but it's not a problem. I can simply create more articles like this, and when I have limit restored, I can open draft and add these images back on a website. So as you can see, I have created in less than 20 minutes around 10 articles what I can post. After that, I will go to Google Performance and will add each link to Google. And this is how it works, like guys. So niche website designed for promotion of Cloudway. So compressions, you can see banner here. So we can open any blog post. This is how it looks like, ready made, table of content. So user friendly with images and good for Google, as you can see. So very good compression. So here's a coupon code what people can use, even if they not click on affiliate link, but if they will enter my coupon code, I will still get commission. So internal linking, external links, affiliate links. So this is how it looks like. Okay guys, hope this video was helpful and have a nice day. Bye.